All right, HA, so we have glued on 31, 32, 33, and 34, and I've taken a lot of this tape off. We waited about 15 minutes or so for the glue to dry.
Yes.
And a lot of times, probably in the classroom, that might be a good stopping point, is once you have everything taped up after you've glued, wouldn't you say, and then we could just pick up on it tomorrow or next week or whenever you choose to start assembling it again. So we've got up through 34. So now we're going to turn to page 15 of our instruction manual. And it looks like we're looking at 35 through 38.
That's it.
Okay.
And what we're doing here is we're putting the last, near the last bit of the foam on the bottom. Again, when we talked about that buoyancy that we're going to need to keep us above water. So these are, basically going to glue these on top of what we already have there. So.
All right.
Good.
And then basically after we do this, the whole will be complete,
right? It's completed.
Okay. And then see that note on the instruction packet too. Okay. So 35.
Right. It'll go
just
right on top of 33.
Okay, by looking at this and what you said, it's going to go right on top of 33. So basically flat.
That's what it's going to be.
Just right over it.
Yep. And you use the same taping technique you did for 33.
Okay, so maybe go ahead and get some tape ready.
Get your stuff ready.
All right.
Yeah.
So I'm getting more and more comfortable with with everything.
I'm seeing it. You're doing very good. Yeah, pretty easy, huh? Not so bad. Huh? Looks pretty bad when you look at when you look at all those pieces laying around, right? But not bad. Pretty easy.
Now with this, am I gluing all the face of 33?
That's it.
And then putting it on there?
Exactly.
Okay, I'll go ahead and do that.
And jump ahead a little bit, what'll happen, the deck will fit into that when we do the deck. The upper part that extends to the deck, that'll be covered there too. So.
Okay.
Yeah. You just spread it around with your finger and make it nice and even.
All right.
And very good. So it's not as hard as it looks. Right.
Well, no, like I said, getting a lot more comfortable with it.
Very good.
So why am I building this up? Why am I building putting 35 on top of 33? Just to raise it out of the water, or
exactly the buoyancy to match what we have going on with the air trap and the afterplane, the brake. Okay, if you don't match it, then it's going to pull right or left. So everything has to be balanced. Again, team hull, we want everybody working together, and when we flip it over, we're going to work with team deck and get that working together.
Okay.
We'll have a very powerful, fast hydroplane.
Okay.
A record winner. Yeah.
So I'm going to go ahead and put my tape.
Just like we did before.
Exactly like we did on on 33.
Yep. Nice, and we want it nice and tight on there because we want it to dry evenly.
Okay.
Gorilla Glue is primarily a wood glue, paper being made of wood, but it also works very good with non-wood material. Yeah, you might want to put another one on there.
Oh, I will.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. All right. Very good. Okay. And it's nice. It's very flexible, so we can actually wrap it around 33, which makes it easy.
Okay, now do the
That's
front.
it. And I would do this lacrosse like this. Yeah.
From?
Yeah, I would take it right here, and then yep.
Okay.
I'd even go even closer to the front, even almost to the front where you want that, right there. Yeah. Just press it down, and then like you did with the 33, use your diagonal type taping.
Now should I also and go around?
Yes.
Go around. Mm-hmm. All right.
There you go. There you go. Okay.
Okay, there's.
Okay, and I put you see a bulge anywhere?
I do.
Yep, right
here.
There. Mm-hmm.
All right.
But you know what I think we're going to do?
What's that?
Let's go ahead and put 38 and 37 on too. What do you say?
All right.
Okay. Let's just go ahead and loosen that up a little bit. We could save a little time here.
Okay.
And yeah, then we can just go ahead and put the heavy glue through here, and then we just lay 37 right there.
Okay, we're going to put 37 right on top of 31.
That's it.
Sounds good.
That way we can really be done with this. And again, you can take shortcuts like this because the system is set up to do that if you wish. Or you could stop here and take some time out and maybe come back the next day or do part of the curriculum. But to save time, you can actually do these together.
Okay.
Very good. Very good. Very good. You might want to take one of these, a short one, and just put that right there, like right
on the end here?
Mm-hmm. Yep, press it down hard. Mm-hmm. There you go. Yeah.
Okay.
You're going to do the front, same way. Here you go. Right, there you go. Yep. Very good. And now we can bring that tape over.
I see.
Yeah. So we saved a little time. Very good.
Okay.
And check to see if this bulge, is this pretty tight right there? Does it settle? Okay, we
I
put some
think
there.
we might
Just
need
put
a
some
little
tape.
more.
Yeah, put some tape there. And then this is one of the areas where we'll use the putty and some of the caulking through here.
Now, what are we using the putty for again? Just to fill in gaps?
To fill in the gaps, yes.
Okay, so
Yeah.
anything that we've missed.
Exactly.
And the same thing with the caulk.
And we are going to use some of that regardless with putting the boat together. So and that's
Yep.
what it's used for.
Okay.
Okay.
So we
Let's do
got-
the same thing with the 34 side.
All right.
Very good. Put 36 on there.
So we're doing 36
Uh-huh.
across here.
And then
And
38.
then we'll come and do 38
That's
in
it.
here.
That's
All
it.
right.
And we just about have the hull done. Very good. Mhm. And when you smooth it, make it nice and even. A lot of glue though.
Okay.
A lot of glue. And I found at this point, when the students get to here, they really have some excitement because they've actually finished half of the boat. So it's a great sign of progress.
So at this point, we are halfway through.
Yeah, we are halfway through, yeah. Again, now we just want to bring Team Deck on board, and we're ready to go. Very good. Okay.
Like so?
That's work. And what I would do is go ahead and just tape the back end, the aft end of that down, and then put 38 on. You can break this in half.
All right.
And then put 38 on. And then we can just tape it all together. Very good.
Okay.
Here's another piece.
Sit down like that.
Uh-huh. Very good.
And
Yep.
just even up the front.
Nice and hard. And then, yeah. And then put this one right there.
Okay.
Okay.
You really want to make sure this back is.
Oh, yes. And then let's lay
Totally.
put the glue in there for 38 to fit.
All right.
All right. You can spread it around in there.
And
Okay.
38 is going to slide right
Right
over
in
top
there.
of 32.
And make sure you get some good heavy glue on the back of the end of that. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Very good. All right. Very good. Now, keep some tape here.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
All right.
You're nice and tight.
Okay.
And then we can do those diagonal.
Sure. I'll do the back,
Yep.
then the front.
Yep. Make sure it fits nice and snug.
Okay.
There it is. Yep.
So at the halfway mark, I'm just
We're
now
there.
kind of getting comfortable.
Yeah, very good.
You know?
You'll be doing these in your sleep before you know it. All right.
Here we go.
Very good. Looking good. How's it feel on there? This bubble right there is a, yeah, you want to put some right there. Yeah.
Okay. So what?
That usually kind of just, I would take one like this, and I would just take it like this, kind of press it like that. Yeah, see if there's a bubble there. I don't know. What do you think? It's pretty solid? Looks good to me. All right. Hey, hey,
Okay, so
hey.
we've got the hole is complete.
It's complete. Yeah. Almost time to go boat racing. We're halfway there.
Okay, so this would probably be a good time to end the lesson for the day, or end the construction for the day, and then carry over to the either worksheet or the curriculum.
Yeah.